Good morning. I'm Dr. Nandini, Project Coordinator and Scientist, Claret Biotech Private Limited, Mysuru. We are the Claret Biotech Private Limited located in Mysuru, and we are involving in research from the past 4 years. And I'm happy to announce that we are Elevate 2019 winner for the title Development of Value Chain Products from East. And the study objective comprises of 5 milestones. In that we have completed the tranche 1. In that there were 4 milestones. In the milestone 1, we have completed screening of bacterial isolates from the certain sources. As a mile 2, we completed preparation of the clones and modifying the vector development and modifying the vectors. At the mile 3, we have completed identification of the gene through in silico methods. Mile 4, we have completed development of the recombinant method. As I said, in the milestone, we have identified certain sources. In that Serratia bacteria, we have isolated from the silkworm, and from the silkworm gut flora, around 11 species we are isolated. In the 2 were worked out. These 2 were almost similar with the Serratia mercensis bacteria, and it is a red pigmented bacteria. It's look like these are the bacteria type which we are carried further. It is like red pigmented bacteria, almost similar with the Serratia mercensis. After isolating the bacteria, we have isolated the genome using a method. We are having a high media PCR one, and then the sequenced gene or amplified gene was subjected to the gel electrophoresis and all. Then we extracted the things. Once the gene gets amplified using PCR technology, we incorporated into the vector, expression vector as well as modified vector, and both amplified gene and vectors. Vectors are restricted, digested using a certain restriction digestion enzymes. Then we subjected to the electrophoresis, and the bands, actually serrapeptidase is having around 1500 kilobase pairs. So the exact base pairs band was extracted, and then we have screened out the positive colonies. Then we went for the fermentation labs, scale production of serrapeptidase using a fermentation technology. In that we have optimized the media to increase the yield of serrapeptidase. Actually, in this we got like 5-fold increased serrapeptidase production. We are optimizing the media using different temperature, pH, inorganic, organic and carbon sources and all. Right now we are producing in the lab scale. So if possible in the future we are planning to go for the industrial scale production and all. After the fermentation process, for the product isolation and purification, we went for the column chromatography, and each other chemist is involving in the isolation of products, means isolation of and purification of the Serratia product. Once the column chromatography is done, we are going to purify and identify the serrapeptidase using the LCMS and all. That we are going to outsource the things right now. And we went for the product development. Actually, the serrapeptidase enzyme we went for lyophilization, and this is the final product of serrapeptidase right now. So in the tranche 1, we have successfully completed and isolated and purified the Serratia peptidase enzyme. As a tranche 2, as a milestones, we are having editing of non-conventional yeast using CRISPR-Cas9 technology. The work is going on right now, and we are working on standardizing the CRISPR. And synthesis of biobutanol producing gene. In this we are either editing the yeast genome to enhance the biobutanol production, and also we are trying to incorporate the biobutanol gene to the yeast genome also. We are trying both the methods. And the third milestone is transformation of expression vector, and whatever the things we are going to transform to the expression vector, then evaluate both the gene serrapeptidase as well as biobutanol producing both the things in one species of yeast by using fermentation technology. In the tranche 1, we have coming to the financial part. In the tranche 1, we have received 12.5 lakh 12,50,000 rupees for different heads like product development, outsourcing, salary and administration expenditure. In that they have sanctioned 4.5 lakh for product development. In that we have used 4,49,478 rupees. And for outsourcing they have sanctioned 4.5 lakh. In that we used and for product development they have sanctioned 2.5 lakh. In that we have used 2.4 lakh. And for the salary expenditure they have sanctioned 4.62 and we completely used 4.62 for the salaries. And for administration expenditure they have sanctioned 88,000 rupees. In that we have used 72,607 rupees. Currently right now the unspent amount is around 18,115 rupees. And the expected project to be completion is on the September, and definitely we are going to submit. The things are going on already, work is going on, and I'm assure you that by the plus or minus 1 or 2 months, like by the end of October or in the first week, we are definitely going to submit the report of entire work. And thank you, Elevate team.